If you're seeing a Blender index error or a list index out of range message, don't worry. This is usually a simple Python issue, and in this video I'll show you exactly what it means, where to check it in Blender, and how to fix it fast. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials like this. Let's jump in. An index error means your script is trying to access an item that does not exist. In other words, your code is asking for a list element, object, vertex, or material that isn't there yet. A very common example looks like this, my underscore list of it. The problem here is that if the list is too short, Blender will throw an error because there is nothing stored at that position. The first place to check is Blender's scripting workspace. Go to scripting, open the text editor, and run your script there. This is where you'll usually see the error message and the line that caused it. Now here's the fix. Before you access an item in a list, check the list length first. So instead of calling the item directly, you use a condition like this. If length of my underscore list is greater than 5, then print the item. That way, Blender only tries to access the element when it actually exists. This prevents the script from crashing. A Blender example would be something like bpy.data.objects 0. That can fail if there are no objects in the scene, because the script is trying to grab the first object from an empty list. So the safe way is to always confirm there is at least one object before indexing it. This same issue can happen with vertices, materials, collections, modifiers, or any other list-style data in Blender. The main rule is simple. Always check the list length before you use an index. If you are troubleshooting, look at the line number in the error, confirm what list is being accessed, and make sure the index is within range. If the list is empty, add a guard condition before the code runs. If the index is too high, lower it or loop through the list properly. That's the cleanest way to stop Blender index errors and keep your scripts running smoothly. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next Blender tutorial.